there, coming to you live from my beautiful garage in Chandler, Arizona, where I am about to do several samples for you of different cleaning products that I've picked up and their reaction on natural stone. So I have some everyday products that people have, Clorox, Ammonia, Bleach, and I want to see that reaction on natural stone and let you know what is safe to use and what's not safe to use. I also went to Home Depot and picked up some tile soaps that are geared specifically for tile, and we'll see how those stack up against your everyday home cleaners. For more information, you can go to my website at www.scottsdaletravertinepolish.com or leave comments below and I will try to respond just as soon as I see them. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day. All right, here's the cleaners we're going to do some samples on. I picked these ones up at Target, but you can get them at Walmart, the grocery store, probably Home Depot. And these are ones that homeowners will have access to and try to use on their showers. Some are safe, some are not. We're going to do a sample and find out. This Melaluca tub and tile cleaner is great for ceramic tile, not so good for your travertine, marble, limestone, etc. Over here, we've got these from Home Depot. You can get them at Lowe's also, I'm sure. These are made for grout and tile. Some of these are made for ceramic and some of them are made for travertine, marble, and limestone. We'll do a sample on it and show you what happens when you use the wrong product on your shower. First product we're going to try is this Meyers Clean Day Tub and Tile Cleaner. This is a all plant-based materials, all natural, no harsh acids. However, the base on this is citric acid. So I already know what happens with citric acid when it comes into contact with stone, but do you? Let's spray it on here and find out. So we'll just do a tiny little spot because we have a lot of things to test. Let's do it right here. Oh, that's a great etch mark. All right, that cannot be wiped off at all. It can't be wiped off with water. It can't be wiped off with anything. It's gonna have to now be honed and then polished, which means we grind down that spot and we polish it back up. See that? Okay, that means this is acidic. So, no on the Meyers Clean Day for any of your tub and tile, natural stone tub and tiles, okay? No. That's my dog. Hi, Koopy. Next one I'm going to try out is Ammonia. Just, I don't know, $1.70 something. All right, let's check it out and see if it leaves a dot. We'll do one. Oh, darn it. I made it too big. Nothing. You can use ammonia, even straight, on your shiny marble travertine or limestone floors or showers. All right, ammonia is alkaline. Next, we're gonna try Tile X Mold and Mildew with bleach. Let's see what this does. Even though we just did this test and it doesn't appear that Tile X makes an etch mark, I think it does overall dull the surface just a tiny little bit. And if you use it time over time over time, it's probably going to make your shiny tile less shiny over time. Next thing I'm trying out is soft scrub with bleach because, okay, testing the soft scrub. You can use soft scrub with bleach. It does not leave any etching. Even I'm shocked about that. Excellent. We're stacking them up on what you can use. Okay, so I've always wondered how this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser would do because it seems like it takes off anything, but it also makes me wonder just what the heck is in this. So let's try this. Huh. I'll be darned. You can use that Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I see nothing. It has done nothing. Man, this is a good test. These are good tests. Okay, next test. Melaluca tub and tile cleaner. Let's check this out. This is the all natural EcoSense tub and tile cleaner, and it is definitely acidic. Okay, so that made a very, very light etch mark here. So that means it's got a low concentration of acid in it, but it still gives you that dull spot. So Melaluca is out for your natural stone. All right, now we're going to try this marble, travertine, limestone, and slate cleaner and resealer. You can use this for everyday cleaning. It adds a little bit of sealer every time you clean. I don't really know what I think about these. I don't know how you can add sealer and clean at the same time, but whatever. I'm just here to test out etch marks. So I doubt that it's going to leave one because it's not supposed to, but let's see. This will, in all likelihood, give your tile a little bit of shine, which is fine. Not this one because it's ultra shiny, but it did not leave any etch marks. Nothing really happened. I don't know how it cleans up because this isn't dirty. So you'd have to test that out and see. All right, the next thing we're trying is this Grout Deep Clean. For heavily soiled and neglected areas, it safely cleans dirt, grease, and food stains. I just don't see that it did anything. It looks the same. So that must be safe to use also on your travertine, limestone, or marble. That's surprising to me. But, all right, next thing we're going to try is this heavy-duty tile and grout cleaner. It smelled a little like stripper when I opened it. It says that it works on soap, scum, I don't know what other organic materials are, but it helps to get wax off. That's also why it probably smells like a stripper. So if somebody has put wax on your travertine or your marble, this is a good product to use. Okay, well, I guess that's where we're putting this stuff. Pew. That appears to be just fine. Nothing happened. So you can use that also on your travertine, limestone, and marble. How about this Tile Lab non-acidic, non-abrasive cleaner, safe for basic daily cleaning? Well, if it's non-acidic, it probably won't leave one of these marks, so let's just see. No, that is just fine. So you can use that also. How about these Meyers Clean Day hand and dish soaps? I know a lot of you have travertine and marble countertops, and there's probably some hand soap and dish soap on the counters. So if it dribbles out, let's see if that's going to be a problem. Since this is also acidic, not acidic base, but a citric acid base, I would assume that it may leave some kind of a little bit of an etch mark, but I don't know. That's why we're doing this. Tiny little etch mark. Whoops. That one smells good. Yes. Basil scented. I'll be using that later. Smells good. Smells so basil-y out here. Okay. And both of those, folks, are safe to use. All right, so that's my test of those products. Hopefully this has been informational and you've been able to see what you can and can't use. Basically, you're pretty safe if you just go to Home Depot and get any of the Tile Lab or Aquamix brands. But again, make sure that you're not getting acidic. Make sure that it is specifically formulated for tile, natural stone tile, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this helped. All right, my neighbors need to get a new garage door opener. Seriously. Kidding me right now? All right. Accidentally got that a little bit all over the place, but Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm back. That was a very interesting set of tests that I did, and I was even shocked at some of the ones myself. So as you can see over here, I've put all the ones that were safe to use, and over here the 2 that I would not use those. Obviously this one was horrible for natural stone. These other ones, which I will mention in the links below, those are safe to use. Use them however you want. You can use them full strength, you can dilute them, it won't matter. Those ones are fine. But yeah, it was a good test to do. People are often afraid to use bleach, thinking that you can't use that it's going to be harmful. It's not. It's so highly alkaline that you can use it straight and nothing happens. Apparently same with ammonia. So I didn't know about some of these things, and I'm glad that even I did this little test to find out.